Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have data and Power Query available. Now start saving the query properly. First, open the workbook where you want the query saved, then launch the Power Query editor from Data Get Data. Once in the editor, verify each source connection and credentials so you avoid broken links later. Make sure the query has a clear, unique name in the queries pane. This name is how Excel references it. Save time by correcting source paths, now, to prevent repeated edits downstream. Once the query is named and sources are validated, decide how Excel stores it. Right-click the query and choose Load To. For a reusable Power Query that won't duplicate data, select Only Create Connection so Excel saves the query logic without loading rows. Make sure Background Refresh is enabled if automatic updates are desired, and set query properties like description and refresh options. Also, retain query folding when available to improve performance. This preserves server-side processing and makes future saves faster and smaller. To finalize, save the workbook itself. This is the only way Excel persists the Power Query connection definitions. Press Save or use Save As to store the XLSX. Use XLSM only if macros are needed. Once saved, close and reopen to confirm the Queries and Connections pane retains your query. If something goes wrong, reopen Query Editor, re-authenticate sources, and check Load to settings. A key troubleshooting tip: clear the Power Query cache from query options if stale previews or errors appear, then refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.